Good afternoon. Now we are watching a system to analyze the equilibrium in the magnetic force and the gravitation force in this little mass composed by ferrite. The equilibrium is getting between this force and the magnetic force is coming and the effect of changing the frequency and the current which passes in this little coil. The electrical current coming and pass through this relay, which is the actuator in this little system. This is coming from this acquisition card and was sending from this computer at the frequency of 4 Hz. This is an easy design of PWM signal at this frequency. Okay? What happens if we change in this value of the frequency? What happens in the equilibrium of this system? Now we are going to change this value of the frequency at 1 Hz, for example. 1. I'm going to put enter. Look at please, at the moment is changing at the frequency 40 Hz, and what will happen, what will be the effect in the equilibrium in this levitation system? Look at please, I'm going to put enter to change in the frequency to 1 Hz. And finally, the equilibrium when you change the frequency. Okay, and as you can watch, the system has not a control algorithm. If you want to analyze by a control algorithms, you should analyze the mathematical modelings, and needs also this actuator. You need a sensor to monitoring, as for example the positions. Okay, get the action from the sensor with the action from this actuator, and you should be careful with the real time, with the response times from the actuator and the response time from the sensor. At the moment it has not sensor because it is not a control system, only is monitoring. But when you design this, be careful with this response time and with the computing times, and especially with the operating system. Okay, to get a good performance with response times in control system. Now you can watch so easy designing a PWM signal. Now we set 1 Hz. You can design and send this value from this acquisition card. And you should remember, when you increase the frequency, the system increases the quantity of the magnetic field to get a good equilibrium. Okay? See you in other videos. Thank you. Bye.